guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing my stay at InterContinental Tokyo Bay in Tokyo. Previously I've stayed at InterContinental ANA in Tokyo as well, so this time I don't want to summarize the highlights, lowlights and the membership benefits. Instead I wanted to give you guys a quick comparison on the benefits of staying at each of the hotels. Overall, I would highly recommend InterContinental ANA for the below reasons. The first reason is its location. It is located in the city center of Tokyo, so it is really convenient and within 2-minute walking distance. You can easily access to the train station. And the second one is it has the best lounge ever, and you can have a very good view of Tokyo Tower as well. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the InterContinental Tokyo Bay one is not good. It is still very good. To be honest, the room was larger than InterContinental ANA's room. It is also close to the metro station, the train station as well. Staff was super friendly, and we've got the earliest early check-in that day. We checked in around 8 a.m. in the morning, and we even got access to the lunch for breakfast that day. However, as I said, if you wanted to explore the hustle and bustle of the Tokyo city, I would recommend InterContinental ANA. If you haven't already checked my video of InterContinental ANA, please feel free to check it out. And again, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Every Friday I'll be uploading one hotel review video to my channel, and I've been doing this for more than 1 year already. Thank you very much for your support, and now let's move on to the actual room tour. Now let's get started at room tour. Tonight we are staying at 2 single bedroom on the executive level with a lounge access. So it's on level 18. On my right side, there's a full-length mirror. On the left side, this is the toilet, and there's a mirror on the wall as well. Just come on in. In this corner, we've got this Japanese smart toilet, and as you can see, there's a panel. There are a couple of functions which is really like quite normal. Yeah, and above this toilet, we've got this bench. So when you are using this toilet properly, you can put your things right here. And I got some bath towels, some hand towels here. Then next to the toilet, we got a shower room, and the funny thing is like all our amenities just down there. It's at the bottom. Oh yes, I forgot to mention all those toiletries are from Barredo. Quite typical for InterContinental brand. Again, we got a body lotion and hand wash in large size. Here we've got a charging socket. Come to this side, we've got 2 cups for toothbrushing and some toiletries here. This is the hair comb, which is lovely. In this drawer, we got some dental kits, shaver. This is a silk bath from Barredo, body towel as well. The other side, in this drawer, we've got a hair dryer here. So we got a bathtub right here. This is our closet. We've got 2 very large pillows over the head. Then 2 bathrobes. This is my dress, iron and iron board, a torch, yeah, and the slippers here. I've already put the slippers on. We've got another 2 robes, and as you can tell, those are like more thinner. A in-room safe just right here, and a couple of drawers, but those are empty. Here is the laundry information and laundry bags. We've got 2 complimentary water. We've got 2 charging sockets right. So this is the minibar section. The tea bags are from GWG. It's a Singapore brand, which is also one of my favorite brands as well. And some Japanese tea, sencha and Fujicha. Second one, we got larger mugs and glasses and some coffee capsules. It's ice bucket. Just in the middle, we've got a very small cabinet, but we've got a kettle just inside it. Here we've got a mini fridge. We've got some drinks, water, Asahi beer, another local beer as well. Come to this side is our workstation, and on this side, this is lovely. We got some charging outlets here, and here we got some charging sockets as well, and this is the switch panel. So in this one, we got New Testament and the Teaching of Buddha. Some of the mattress are from Sealy. So this is really a very good brand. But it's funny thing, we've got 2 single bed. I was thinking the single bed is gonna have some sort of gap in between, but if you guys know the reasons behind this, please comment below, because I really wanted to know why they are doing this, like put 2 single beds so close instead of putting a king bed in the room.